Getting started with the Sage Accounting mobile app. The mobile app for Sage Accounting enables you to manage your accounts on the go. In this video, we'll show you how to download and navigate the mobile app on your Android device. If you have an Apple device, we have a separate video tailored to iOS users. Get started with the mobile app. The mobile app can be found on Android stores on your device by searching for Sage Accounting. You can use the app with both Sage Accounting Standard and Sage Accounting Plus. Once downloaded, open the app and press Sign In. You're prompted to select the country and then asked to enter your Sage Accounting credentials. Then, press Login. Please note, what's displayed may differ slightly depending on the device and operating system you are using. Once logged in, there are some Getting Started cards at the top. To mark each card as done or save it for later, swipe left. Press the relevant option and the next task will appear. Repeat the process to complete or save all tasks. Alternatively, mark all tasks as done by pressing here. By default, on the overview screen you will find widgets relating to each area, including trends, purchase automation, sales, quotes and estimates, purchases, receipts and payments, contacts, and accounts. To edit the widgets, press Edit at the bottom of the page. To hide a widget from the overview page, press this icon. The widget will move to the Hidden Widgets section. To add this again, press this icon. To reorder the widgets, use the icon on the right. Keep this icon pressed and move the widget to the desired place on the list. To restore the default settings, press here. To save your changes, press Save. If you're always on the go, manage your sales and purchases wherever you are. Use the widgets, plus icon, or the menu to access the relevant area of the app and create transactions. View a list of money in and out of the bank within the Receipts and Payments section. Add new other receipts, other payments, and bank transfers using the plus icon. For sales, you can create other receipts, credit notes, quotes and estimates, and sales invoices. For purchases, you can create other payments, purchase credit notes, and purchase invoices. Go paperless with the ability to capture images or choose a file from your device to attach to your transactions, such as quotes, invoices, payments, and receipts. Add and manage your products and services here. This includes stock items if you are subscribed to Sage Accounting Plus. Customers and suppliers can be managed and created within the Contact section. You can also import contact records from your phone. Any changes you make on your mobile device are automatically updated in the web application. From the menu, you can access settings such as business and VAT details. If you need to sign out, you can do this here too. Get support and give feedback on the mobile app through the Support and Feedback menu option. For further information, visit our Help Center. You have now learned how to download and navigate the app on an Android device.